What's going on, everyone? So we've made massive progress over here on the 62XK Falcon with the FG barra swapped front. So nearly got everything all lined up and ready to trim in. We've got to cut 4 centimeters, just those last little trims out of that side there. If we come around here, same on this side here. We've just got a little bit of a trim. You can see the line that's marked out all the way down there. Once that's trimmed out, we roll the car back and the wheels will be in the centered position, leaving us enough room to cut out the factory rud support, make room to stitch in the XK Falcon's rud support. So we've made a massive amount of progress. It's getting to the point now where we can start working out how we're going to sleeve everything together, how we're going to reinforce everything, how we're going to box everything in, and how everything's going to work and fit. As you can see from the inside of the car, the floor pans are nearly matched up. Once we've moved it back, it should sit on top of the rear floor supports, allowing us to have it sit there, weld it all up, sleeve it in. Once that's all done and the front's all in and we're happy, we'll turn around and start sleeving in the rear. So stay tuned for updates. Everything's coming along nicely, a fair bit quicker than we expected. And we'll be posting stuff for you, so stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe. It goes a long way.